Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the names of essential kitchen utensils and tools in English language. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word is blender. Second word is bowl. Third word is can opener. Fourth word is chopping board. Fifth word is colander. Sixth word is cooker. Seventh word is cooking pot. Eighth word is cutting board. Ninth word is dish. 10th word is dishwasher. 11th word is fork. 12th word is freezer. 13th word is frying pan. 14th word is garlic press. 15th word is grater. 16th word is grill. 17th word is hob. 18th word is kettle. 19th word is knife. 20th word is kitchen counter. 21st word is kitchen utensils. 22nd word is ladle. 23rd word is microwave oven. 24th word is mixing bowl. 25th word is napkin. 26th word is oven. 27th word is oven mitt. 28th word is apron. 29th word is plate. 30th word is pressure cooker. 31st word is refrigerator. 32nd word is rolling pin. 33rd word is salad bowl. 34th word is saucepan. 35th word is serving spoon. 36th word is skillet. 37th word is spoon. 38th word is spatula. 39th word is stove. 40th word is strainer. 41st word is dining table. 42nd word is tablecloth. 43rd word is tea towel. 44th word is toaster. 45th word is tongs. 46th word is tray. 47th word is vegetable peeler. 48th word is wok. 49th word is whisk. 50th word is wine glass. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.